story of Terrance and Azure AD. Meet Terrence, an IT admin at a growing company. His users need secure, simple access to cloud resources. Passwords pile up, access gets chaotic. Terrence discovers Azure Active Directory, a modern identity provider. Azure AD now verifies user identity for every sign-in. It acts as a gatekeeper for all company apps. When users log in, Azure AD grants them access after confirming their credentials. Terrence learns Azure AD controls access to Azure resources too. He uses built-in roles to assign the correct permissions for cloud data and services. Only the right people get to see or manage each Azure asset. To keep everything unified, Terrence sets up Azure AD Connect. This syncs on-premise directory with Azure AD. Passwords and identities stay the same whether users are remote or at the headquarters. Onboarding and offboarding are now fast and secure. Now comes authentication and security benefits. Azure AD offers multi-factor authentication and conditional access policies. Suspicious logins, such as those with unfamiliar locations, are automatically flagged. Policies block logins and insist on extra checks for sensitive work. Terrance enjoys high availability for all users everywhere. Azure AD is replicated globally and backed by SLA guarantees. Downtime worry is gone. Access stays up, even when demand peaks. Applications and partners integrate easily. Users get one-click access with single sign-on. Sharing with external partners is secure but straightforward. Everyone discovers approved apps in one place through the portal. Terrence sees a real difference in efficiency and security. Azure AD, his identity provider, houses every sign-in and resource request. It scales with the company, protecting data and boosting productivity. Get committed, get secure, get ahead. Azure AD is just the beginning. Are you ready to level up? Take action now and own your future with Cloud Identity Mastery and this AZ900 IAM course. And I'd like to thank you for watching.